Let's take a look at this 1500 watt power inverter from ALFFAA. This is the perfect inverter for your solar panel system, or when you're camping outdoors and you've got a 12 volt battery. It came well packaged with an instruction sheet to help you get started. It's got two standard power outlets in the front, as well as two USB outputs. And at the back you have your positive and negative inputs. At the bottom edges there are two notches. You can use these notches to mount it down somewhere. It has a solid aluminum case that helps keep the device lightweight. I'll be using this inverter with this 12 volt battery. This is a lithium battery and has a 100 amp hour capacity. This is the perfect battery to pair with this inverter. This battery also comes with the manual and includes all the specs you need. This battery comes with these bolts, which help you tighten down your connection to the terminals. It also has this Velcro strap to help you pick it up. It is quite heavy. Alright, let's go ahead and connect the battery to the inverter. For this demo, I'll just be using Romex cabling, but this is just for testing. I really like this inverter's connection terminals. They tighten down really well and hold in the wiring. And the other end, I'll go ahead and connect it to the battery. Alright, we're done with the wiring, and now we're ready to go ahead and test this thing out. As soon as you turn it on, it displays the number of volts on the battery. It also displays the AC output that's available. I'm going to go ahead and test it using an 1875 watt hairdryer. It's actually quite a bit too much for this device, but let's see what it does. As you can see on the highest setting, it's trying to draw too many amps, triggering the protection on the inverter and turning it off. However, when I set it to the medium setting, it works just fine. So to do a more detailed test, I've went ahead and hooked it up to my power supply. This way I can control how many volts I give it. I'll be testing the 10 volt low voltage protection and the 15 volt over voltage protection. Here I'm lowering the voltage to its minimum. As you can see, it turns off and an alarm goes on. This is to let you know that your battery is dying. Now let's go ahead and check the over voltage protection. Here the device alarm also goes on and it turns off as well. I think this is a well-designed power inverter, and I highly recommend it. Thanks for watching, and I hope you found my video informative.